Okay, I'm officially at the age where I get excited about toilet brushes. And what I like the most about this one in particular is the option that they gave you to put it on the wall permanently or to just glue it over there. A lot of us are not homeowners, so this is something we definitely appreciate. And this one just is a very high quality, very good looking, good material brush. As you can see, it's very easy to install and it looks really cute. That part of wood that it has on the handle makes it look even more nice for the home. And the design is well made. You just open it and it's right there available for you. Over here in the back, you will have the option to just glue these plastic pieces and you can just put it in your wall with that and that will just sustain it. That way, when you move out, you don't have to worry about that or just install it permanently with the hardware that they give you.